What is going on, guys? This is an Insta360 X5. We are gonna do a quick unboxing and then I'm gonna show you the footage on this thing because really you wanna know when they say 8K, what does that really mean, okay? So the two things we're gonna do is daytime and then we're gonna do a nighttime one as well. I do have the X4 and the X3, but I'm just gonna show you the footage between the X4 and the X5, all right? But if you guys really want it, I can do the X3 as well. But anyway, you guys let me know. But in this video, I'm gonna do daytime and nighttime comparing the X5 against the X4. Not sponsored by Insta360. I did purchase this with my own money. So you guys really don't have to worry about if I'm being influenced by Insta360 or not. All right, let's do it. I feel like it's gotten a little thicker, but I'll compare that in a second. It's just slightly thicker than the X4. Instruction booklet, candy, and a nice little case with some accessory inside of it. USB-C to USB-C and a little cloth or something like that. Okay, anyway, this one's useful. This one is too. So, oh yeah, I also bought an extra battery because obviously guys, you are gonna want extra battery if you get one of these, okay? You don't want to be left without it. I can't get myself to get the dual charger right now though. Again, I spend my own money on this and so I'm picking and choosing on what I should be getting. Dual charger, I might be able to do without. Every single version now of the Insta360, guys, I have been having to buy brand new dual charger and brand new batteries for it. I have tons of X4 and X3 batteries. I mean, look, it's pretty much the same. And they couldn't reuse the X4 batteries? Anyway, so yeah, let's go on and test. Right now you're looking at pure video mode. The preview alone tells me that it's working. The camera on the X4 actually told me to switch to 5.7K for better low light. And this here X5 is saying it's shooting at pure video. So this is what it looks like right here, guys. See in the X4? I don't think you can even see in the X4. There you have it. So I'm just gonna walk around real quick with holding the sticks. This is really dark. I mean, I think it's lit up by one light. By the way, I am testing out the audio. You guys let me know what y'all think about the audio. Yeah. I'm gonna walk towards a light, so hopefully the X4 will be able to see. Right now this is one source of lights right here that's right behind me. Let's see if it helps at all. we got one light over here. Really harsh light, actually. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's pure video mode right there. Let's go into the dark space real quick. Okay, so there you have it. That's pure video mode in low light. I've been wanting to test this thing out since they announced it on the Insta360. Hopefully you guys, make a decision on which one you want. X4 versus X5. Really, the pure video mode is the only reason why I would probably upgrade, in my opinion. So far, that's all that I've seen. Everything else pretty much the same, to be honest with you. So, let me know what you guys think.